Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Ambiance Crunchy GTK theme. It's a nice theme, and if we go to a picture here, they have different accents and colors, and it works on a lot of different desktop environment theme engines. So to get started, go to the GNOME page, and you can find a link to that in the article. Then go down to Files and download the one that says themes.tar.gz. Once you download it, open up a terminal, and need to extract it by doing tar x vf, and then let's see where it is. Crunchy themes. Now there's going to be a lot of stuff here, so we need to go into themes and then just do mv sudo mv user share themes. Now this will install it system wide, but if you want to install it for a single user, instructions on how to do that are in the description. We press enter your password, it will install to the system. You go to themes, and it's different on every desktop, but you can go ahead and select your crunchy theme. So let's see, crunchy blue, and now I'm using Ambiance Crunchy Blue, and that is what it looks like. I'm not a huge fan of this theme. It doesn't work very great in Cinnamon, as you can see, but it looks really good on GNOME and other desktop environments. The reason it probably doesn't look great on Cinnamon is just because how custom Cinnamon is and all of that, but there's lots of different choices, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you have the chance and you need something different. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.